So I was trading IDXG this morning in my small account. I did a recap on this big move. I want to talk to you guys about it. I want you guys to see what happens when these crazy small caps get halted on news in the middle of the day. People think, offerings only come in the afternoon, and you can see here this offering came on IDXG for 220. It was up to 434 area there, and it's crashing down. Everybody who bought above $4 is shit pants watching this. So you can see, literally, it just starts crashing, and it's crashing down huge here. So just breaking through all possible support, all possible chance of this bouncing back. And then you can just look at level 2 here. Just so many sellers stacking up there. There was no chances of coming back up. It got halted down at the bottom there. After it was halted, it was just game over. No way this was going to come back after that. You can see just a huge red candle. 1 million shares sold off there. The shorts were waiting for this to happen. They knew that IDXG is notorious for offerings in the middle of the day, and that's exactly what happened here on IDXG. I hope you guys see this as a lesson. There's another reason that we don't hold these stocks all day. Another reason that we don't hope and pray. It's, these quick little scalps. People always say, well, why do you sell so quickly? Well, this is exactly why I sell quickly. I bought at 409. I sold at 431. Minutes later, this was down at the low threes. So if I would have held on to this, if I would have kept praying and hoping and thinking this is going to go to $5 by the end of the day, obviously I would have got screwed there. I would have blown up my account. Somebody with a small account had 1,000 shares. You lose $1,000 in one drop like that. It just takes you out. It mentally and financially. That's a huge blow to lose $1,000 in minutes. Somebody who had 2,000-3,000 shares could have lost even more if they were stubborn here and didn't get out before. And you can see here on the drop, it comes back down. Has a little bit of a bounce, but it's just crashing. It's going to go down, down, down. Looking at IDXG right now, just where it's at. It's down to 312. It's bouncing around that $3 area, but still, it's just not good. This is the kind of thing, when the market wants to screw you over, it's going to screw you over. It's going to hit you hard. Don't ever be too overconfident. Don't ever think that you know what's going on with the market, because all of a sudden a company releases news like this, crashes the stock, gets halted, and you're just stuck. There's nothing you can do. You're selling for a huge loss there. There was literally no way to get out of this trade safely. You can see, there was just no time. It just dropped from that $4 area down to $3 in a matter of seconds. And then it got halted. So it bounced around a little bit, made a little scalp off that bounce there, back up to the 350 area. But after that, it's down to 312 now, looking at the chart. It's giving you guys an idea that this is another reason that day trading is not what you think it is. It's not safe. There is no safe plays ever in day trading. Even thinking that you got in on a good support, or you thinking that you got in on a dip or a good buy, things like this happen and just screw you over, take away all your possible gains. Because if you scalp this a couple times this morning, maybe you made $300, $500 on this stock today and then sold for $1,000 loss, taking away all your gains. I hope you guys weren't trading this. I hope you got out before the halt. I hope you were playing it smart. If you traded IDXG today, leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot when you guys subscribe and interact with the videos. Thanks a lot.